An elevated pet feeding station built into a family kitchen keeps dogs healthier and the space organized without interrupting kitchen flow. Design the station at elbow height for the primary caregiver so the dog eats without neck strain, and plan bowl spacing to match the largest dog's shoulder width to prevent crowding. Use a pull-out drawer on full extension slides to house 2 removable stainless steel bowls set into a solid surface so you can lift them out for dishwasher cleaning and replace seals easily. Below the feeding drawer, include a sealed storage compartment with an airtight lid and ramped internal floor so Kibble slides forward for easy refill while keeping pests out and humidity down. Integrate a plumbed water bowl tied to the home filtered supply with a low-profile float valve and a quick disconnect for winterizing or deep cleaning. And route the fill line within the cabinet toe kick to hide plumbing and allow future access. Specify materials that tolerate moisture and abrasion, such as marine-grade plywood for the carcass, high-pressure laminate or solid surface for the top, and silicone gaskets around bowl cutouts to prevent leaks from reaching finished cabinetry. Finish the front panel with a removable magnetic or keyed latch and smooth, wipeable surfaces, so daily cleanup is a single motion with a damp microfiber cloth. Common mistakes include placing the station at standard counter height, which causes dogs to strain and spill, so instead measure the dog at standing shoulder height and set the bowl rim approximately at that level. Another issue is relying on open storage for kibble, which invites pests and stale food. Use an airtight compartment and consider desiccant packs for humid climates. A third problem is hard to clean plumbing or inaccessible valves. Position the float valve behind an access panel and use quick disconnect fittings so you can remove the water bowl and lines without tools. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover ideas and connect with local contractors for built-in pet feeding stations and kitchen integration. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, designs, and real-world lessons, and we make it easy for contractors to find work through project leads and homeowner inquiries.